Yeah, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking. Really appreciate your efforts, and if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you some top search preferences for your website. That means these search preferences can make your site post rank high on Google. So you are gonna need this most especially because most people go on Google to search, and from those search they go over to web pages of website owners. So all you have to do is make your site rank high on Google search, and there you have it. You'll be getting views every day. Okay, so let's go on to Chrome, and I'm going to go on to my Blogger back page. I'm using Blogger, so you might try this search preferences on your WordPress website or so. Okay, so on your Blogger back page, you go over to your settings, and on your settings, you go over to your search preferences icon. Okay, so there you have it, your meta tag description, your Google Search Console, robots.txt, and robot header tag. So all these needs are very important for your site to rank high on Google. As for your meta tag has to be short and has to have like a rhyme to what your website is. So take for example, this my blog is a news blog. I post things about news and all this kind of stuff. So that's why I use this meta tag as information is power. So maybe on your website might be a music or a video kind of site. So all you have to do is put a meta tag related to what your blog or website can do or is all about. So this your meta tag is very important and has to have good significance to exactly what your website is. Okay, so done with meta tag. Now let's go over to your Google Search Console icon under the crawlers and indexing icon. Okay, so you click on the edit. These will link you to your Google Search Console where you have to get some things edited. Okay, fine. I'm going to leave that for now. Let's go over to the custom robot.txt. So now this is what you should copy to your custom robots.txt. This will be at the description of this video, so don't stress yourself, just follow up. So okay, after you copy this and insert it on your custom robot.txt, there are some changes you have to make, like your sitemap. You have to edit my site and include yours. As you can see, my site is on the sitemap link, so you just have to remove it and include your site, and you click on your save changes. Okay, then you go over to your custom robot header tag and you click on edit. Now what you have to do here, very simple. At your home page, you click on all. Next, you click on noodp, and your archive and search preferences, you click on noindex. On your archive and search pages, you only click on noindex. Your default for posts and pages, you click on all and noodp. So you have to know what exactly to click here. You have to watch this video and know exactly what you have to click, because any error can get your site not being crawled upon by Google crawlers and stuff like that. So after clicking all this, you click on save changes, and there you have it, your search preferences has been saved successfully. So these search preferences will make your site rank on Google search engine. So hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.